I'm Gary Zermeland, sales coach and trainer for Invictus. So if we really want our business to take off, well, we don't just want to take a step. We want to take a ramp that actually launches us. So RAMP is an acronym for the 4 essential activities that we need to be doing as a sales rep. And if we're doing them, then we'll gather speed as if we're taking off, well, off of a ramp. So R stands for retain. We need to absolutely keep and renew that existing customer base. It's paramount. Think about it. If we're constantly losing our base while we're grinding it out and trying to add new ones, we're just chasing our tail. So we need to protect that base first. And then there's A. A is for attain. We always need to be attaining new clients. If not, our pipeline is slowly dying. And we may need different strategies to do that. It may be getting more referrals or getting more warm introductions or just doing that persistent outbound activity that is not optional. We have to be doing that for growth and for survival. And then we got M. M is for mend or to recapture. So that might be jumping into your CRM system and looking for those clients that walked away. And then with some best practices, we could somehow bring them back into the fold. By the way, that path is probably the quickest way of getting revenue. And then we got P, which is for penetrate, where we want to penetrate deeper within that customer. We want to expand our business there. It's the lowest hanging fruit. It may be just having a conversation with them, finding out some problems that they have, and then providing them a solution. And by expanding that footprint, well, it's a win-win for both you and them. So use the RAMP framework. Take that ramp, and it'll take you to heights that you never imagined. This is Gary Zermeland, sales coach and trainer for Invictus. Invictus, you can do this.
To really take off, you need